Start date. Okay. Um,
So we will wait for 5 more minutes and then we will start.
yes.
Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber Acharya. We are live for the Python for Data Science Week-4 doubt solving revision session. And today's agenda we are going to cover classification, regression, and question answers and previous year's question answers we are going to solve. So let's wait for a few more minutes, then we will start.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes,
Sir, મારો voice lag થઈ છે કે proper છે?
no, it's clear.
Okay.
If any technical glitches, I'll let you know.
Okay, sir.
We will start at 9:35. Yes, good evening, everyone. We are audible. Am I audible? Please give me your confirmation in chat box. Who are there in the live session? Hello, everyone. Good evening. Let me welcome you all in the Cyber Acharya live session, Python for Data Science, Week 4 Doubt Solving and Revision session. So we are going to start the session. Meanwhile, if you are having any queries or questions, you can write in the chat box. Let me welcome our expert speaker, Bhut, who will guide you and giving you some brush up about the Week 4 concepts. Right. So over to you, Om. Let's begin.
Yeah, hello everyone. Is there, shall we start? Please
Yeah.
do write something in comment section.
So please give us your confirmation if you are here on live. Our students who joined last time also. So if you are live and if we are audible, then please write in the chat box so that we can proceed further.
Sir, I think let's start. We should proceed further.
Yeah, yeah. Let's begin with the session here.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll start it with sharing my API. I mean, so I have the file, the revision. I'll first basically take a revision of week 4. Then after we'll proceed further with the question along according to the presence of the students. If the students are interested for the question, we'll definitely proceed further with it. Let me begin to share my file for revision session. Wait. Yeah, sir, is it visible?
Yes, I proceed. Wait. Yeah, it's visible now. Om, please go ahead.
Okay, okay. So this is the IP1B. So before starting with IP1B, I'll let you know a little bit thing about the regression classification and all. And we'll start with regression first. Just a second. Yeah. So regression. What is regression? Regression is about predicting numbers, a continuous value. Let's suppose we are predicting a house price where the prices in might be different. Like somewhere the prices are 25 lakhs. Means nearby the some house have prices of 25 lakh 40,000. Means the prices is fluctuating, right? So prices are fluctuating in a sequential manner. Means at a particular interval, not like it is starting from zero and then after it is directly touching to 100. So it is a linear growth in that particular thing. So it is called a linear regression. Okay. Another, predicting temperature, means now the temperature might be 29.6 degrees. Later on the temperature might be 30.1 degrees, somewhat likewise. Okay. How it works: regression draws a line. It's a curve type of things through the data points. Means you are having the data point, you're plotting that particular data, then you will get a curve line in it. And so that prediction are so close possible to actual value. Means the line that you have been plotting the graph, it is near about to the actual value that you will get in future. Let's suppose your linear regression is predicting some values, so it will be near around to the accurate value which might be coming in future as the outcome. Okay. Proceeding further with the classification. Classification is about predicting categories. Means in regression, we were predicting the future prices and all. It has been used in shares, stocks, and other business terms also. But what about classification? It has been categorized. Means it depends on categories. Example, predicting an email is spam or not. Basically, there are two categories of an email. Either it is spam, either it is not a spam, right? So this is classified into multiple categories. Uh,
Yeah, excuse
Example,
me, Om.
predicting. Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yes, sir.
Om, we can see the challenges page. Do you have any other, or it is the same
Okay,
page?
no, no, sir. Actually, I am
Ah,
showing challenges page only
okay,
and
okay,
explaining by my side, and there is no
okay,
notes for it.
okay, okay. No issue. Go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. So, example of a classification might be predicting a blood group. Maybe a means different kind of blood groups, right? Uh, how it works basically. Classification model learns boundaries between categories and assign new data the right group. It basically learns from the patterns, the data which has been created. It learns from the labels that we give, and accordingly, it predicts similar kind of things. Okay. Proceeding further with binary and multi-class classification. Binary. What is binary classification? A binary classification is only possible. Only two possible classes. A binary classification has only two possible classes. Either yes, either no. Means either it is pass or either it is fail. Just like an example we took in earlier classification, like sorry, in earlier classification like spam or not spam. Likewise, it has been classified in binary. Binary classification contains only two possibilities. Yeah, either it might be yes, either it might. There is also one more thing. It is multi-class classification. And what does multi-class classification says is it is more than two categories. Let's suppose we are taking an example of blood group. Blood group is having more than two categories like A, B, AB positive, O negative, likewise. Uh, movies genre like action, comedy, drama, horror, likewise. Let's proceed further with next thing. Anyone in the chat box? You need some revision of any particular topic. If you are having any doubts of any particular topic, you may be feel free to ask in chat box. Okay. Till the time, I'll proceed further with next topic. Linear regression and zero training error. A linear regression model can sometimes achieve zero training error. That means the model perfectly lies to the training data. What I mean is, let's suppose you're plotting some of the data in a graph and you're getting exactly a straight line. Means a line which passes through each and every data points in your graph. So it has a zero training error. It shouldn't be like that. Always the linear regression should not pass through each and every data point of your model. It should pass in a cross directional way. Uh, okay. If there is a zero training error, then it will be considered as overfit. Okay. Now, evaluation matrices. What is evaluation matrices? Actually, for regression, the evaluation matrices is mean square error, root mean square error, mean absolute error, MAE, R square score, this all the things. What is mean square error? A mean square error is just what is mean square error? A squared error uh, is a average squared error. Mean square error is an average squared error. What is root mean square error? Square root of MS. Square root of average square error is RMSE, root mean square error. And MAE, mean absolute error. Mean average absolute error means less sensitive to outliers. Means we can get a let out means less outliers. Okay, there will be no much outliers in this particular R square score. How much of the variance is explained by the model? Means R square is been just showing that how your actual model is as compared to the predicted model. For classification, the evaluation matrices are accuracy, recall, F1 score. Okay, let's have a quick brush up for KNN. KNN is the K nearest neighbor. Is the simplest algorithm that works for both regression and classification. For regression, it assigns the majority label for the K nearest neighbor. For regression, it takes the average value of the K nearest neighbor. In classification, it basically assigns its own value to its nearest neighbor, and it sees that which of the nearest neighbor has the highest particular value. Let's suppose three of them might be having the same value in a set of five, then classification will take that particular value of three persons. Okay, and in regression, it takes the average value of the k nearest neighbor. Means it will consider the value of all the neighbors and it will take an average of it. This is what been done in regression. Now, key points of regression is small k and a large k. Small k is model very sensitive, means it is overfitting, and large k is what model is too small, means underfitting. It shouldn't be a small k or it shouldn't be large k. It should be in between. So it shouldn't overfit the data or else it shouldn't underfit the data. Okay. So yeah, I've been explaining all the concepts of week 4. I think we should proceed further with questions. Hello, sir.
Yes, so
Hello.
yeah, am I audible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Let,
Shall we
let's
proceed with
proceed
questions?
with the question and answer. You explain the question. We will wait for 10 to 20 seconds. Otherwise, we will explain the answer. And we will try to cover 10 questions.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. If audience are actively participating, they will give answer in a 20-second. Otherwise, we will explain the answer and we will proceed further.
Okay, actually, sir, I don't think so there is any need of explanation because the question is theory based.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'll take the answers. Better.
Okay, okay.
Else, what do I suggest is you may take this particular thing in class also, because
Yeah, yeah,
the thing is that these questions are theory based,
okay, okay.
so it
Any
should be easy.
students are available? Any students are there?
I
Anybody?
think they're not freely to chat.
Or else, do you want to share something, from your end? Otherwise, we will wind up.
Uh,
Or,
Actually, this
or
IPYNB which I have been created, it
huh.
contains everything. Means
Or
almost
else, do one
everything near about
thing.
pre-board. Yeah,
Or else, you just guide them about the so the viewer who will join later, and who will
mhm,
see our recording, please guide
mhm.
them how to give the examination, what kind of preparation they need to do, and what kind of, I mean, you prepared your IPYNB, right? So how they
Yeah,
can do with your IPYNB, what is inside in your IPYNB, so that they can get benefited. So uh, I request you take some 5-10 minutes to guide them about
yeah,
examination.
sure.
Meanwhile, if they are
Yeah, yeah.
having any queries or question, they may reflect in the chat box.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
So
can share your
basically, what?
experience also, what you did during your examination, what kind of questions that you
Sure,
faced,
sure.
and what is the pattern of examination. So if you want to share your experience, it would be great.
Okay, okay, sure, sir.
Yeah, yeah. If you want to
Yeah.
write
First of
word, you can
all,
write in the word also.
yeah. Okay. First, just a second.
Your screen is not visible, huh?
Yeah. So just please. Yeah, sir. The screen is visible.
Just a minute. Yes, now your screen is visible. Share your thoughts, share your ideas. How is the NPTEL experience at the exam center? What they need to take care, how to, I mean, appear in the different questions, what mindset they need to do, carry, right?
Yeah. So first of all, let's proceed. Means let's discuss about the weeks and the question been asked in the examination. Um, the questions are not much hard enough. It is around the basic level questions. Yeah, if your concepts are clear, you will definitely think that the questions are easy. But if your concepts are not clear, you are stuck anywhere in any of the concepts. So it might be seems hard to you. But what I suggest is clear up the basic concept. Everything will be asked with the same thing only, and prepare the quiz which has been provided by the NPTEL team, and uh, even go through the video lectures once. Let me write
You
over
can
here.
you can write there so that it will reflect, so that they may know
Yeah,
later on, they can note these things.
complete weeks. Basically, first of all, you should complete all the weeks, complete all the week lectures. And yeah, if not possible to complete all the week lectures, I don't think so. It is that you might not be able to complete all the week lectures. You should try to complete all the weeks. And after completing all the weeks, what you need to do is go through the assignments, means week assignments, means the quizzes that you are solving. Then after completing the assignments, you should focus on the material being provided by the NPTEL team, means the learning material. Learning material by the NPTEL. It has been provided at end of every video lectures. And after finishing this, you should just revise the things up, and just don't worry about the exams, because it's easy if you know the things. Yeah, what do I suggest is, for data science you need to focus a bit on machine learning part, means the week 4 part. If you want to score a good score in examination, you should try to focus on week 4 part, because sometimes it is the most frequently asked particular things. Most of the questions have been asked from that ML part. I'll suggest that if you are ready to finish the ML part, it's well and good, because the rest 3 of the weeks are containing only Python videos. So better to finish ML portion. Okay. So this is all the things by my side. This is the flow chart for the prep. Flow for prep. Yeah. Sir, this is only by my side. Uh, I don't think so. Any of the students are interested today. So what I suggest is, let's. Uh, you should take the exams, the questions in offline
Mm.
sessions.
Sure, sure. And what kind of question ratio? I mean, how many question from the Python? How many question from this week 3 and week 4? And batch-wise, what did you observe that? Are we getting same questions in both batches or different one?
Okay. No, actually, we are not getting the same questions in both the batches. Even the ratio of the question been asked in each and every batches has been changed. Let's suppose there is morning shift and evening shift. So sometimes the students in morning shift might get the question, the 70% to 80% questions from Python, and this 20% from ML, obviously. But sometimes the students in evening batch may contain 90% of ML and 10% of Python. Uh, doesn't matter that 90% of the questions have been covered only from week 4. It doesn't matter, because the syllabus is week 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's their choice that from where they will take the questions. They can even take whole over the quiz from Python only, and only few questions might be asked from ML. But it doesn't mean that the thing is only been fixed, that 50-50 ratio, 60-40 ratio. No, the ratio might be fluctuating according to the paper style that they are thinking for. But according to me, that morning shift might be containing more Python, and evening shift might be containing more ML. So whosoever is getting the evening slot, please do try to cover ML portion because it's a bit tricky. It's not hard, but it's a bit tricky. Around 50-50 ratio is fixed. Means 50% of Python will be asked and 50% of ML will also be asked. But the portion of the ratio of ML might be increased a bit. It's 20-30% of Python is for sure, and rest 70% depends on the situation and the shifts of your exams.
Okay, and what will be the ratio that quiz? They are repeating questions from the quiz itself. I mean, same
Sir,
question
actually,
likewise. Is there
okay.
any? Yeah.
The question might not be repeated from the quiz. Yeah, hardly few questions might be repeated. Not much. Means only one or two questions might be repeated in the examination because they are full of new questions. They have plenty of new questions.
Okay. Okay. So, students, if you want to do more practices, always prepared number of IPY and B. We are ready to forward to you. If you are interested, later on also you can write in the chat box. We will definitely forward the IPYNB. The students who are from the university, I will share in the software system, so there you can get the IPYNB, and later on you can do the practice on this. So with this, we are going to close this session as we cannot find more interest today because this is a weekend. I hope, but later on we are open to solve your doubts and queries. If you wish to go with more sessions like this, you can request in the chat box. Otherwise, this is the end of the series of Python for data science from the expert speaker Om Bhut. Definitely, we both will come with the upcoming trends and new series also. We will introduce. But meanwhile, that's it from today. That's it from this series. If you find any difficulties, suggestions, feedback, you can write in the chat box. I thank you, Om Budh, that you spent your valuable time out of your working hours. You prepared very good and well planned IPYNB with the answer. So, wishing you, you and our student, that from your guidance, our student will get the good result, and definitely we will get the positive response and positive results from the students.
Sure, definitely, definitely.
Yeah, do you want to share something, Om? Okay, so with this, we are going to close this session. Bye bye, take care, happy learning, and all the best. Do you want to
Hello.
share something, Om, for
Yeah,
the
yeah, no, sir.
students?
Actually,
Any
a bit
message?
of network issue. No,
Ah,
no,
any
it's
message?
for the student.
Okay, okay. Anyways, all the best. Happy learning. Do your best for the upcoming exam. Bye bye. Take care. After you, I will leave the session.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Om.